How to connect Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper wallet. For that, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet application, and here you won't be able to see any direct method with the help of which you can connect your Telegram wallet. But if you have your Telegram wallet's secret recovery phrase, then you can simply import your Telegram wallet in your Tonkeeper wallet. For that, you need to tap on the wallet tab that would be in the top and then tap on the add wallet section. After that, among the given options, you just have to select the second one that would say existing wallets, because we want to import our Telegram wallet over here. Now you need to make sure that you have your secret 24 words of recovery phrase from your Telegram wallet. So if you have it, then you just have to simply provide the keywords one by one into this list. Once you are done, you need to tap on the continue button in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to simply wait for some time until give you further instructions, and then you will be able to see two wallets on the home page of Tonkeeper, and from there you can easily manage it. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.